no crazy shit been on my mind. I know that I will get over it, just give me some time. But look, I'm trying to hit the brakes, trying to flatline. Looking into your eyes, look at me, I'm alright. Try to think about the memories of us just standing outside, trying to live a life, trying to live it until we die. Never realize I was doing this in your life. Never thought you would go commit suicide. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with me? Why the fuck you ain't take a step back and let me fucking breathe? Did you really have to hurt me? Put me 10 feet underneath. Look right into my eyes and tell me you believe that you're not all it's about. Doing this shit for the clout. Never know that I was feeling since. Yeah, he's trying to get out. I don't know if I can leave because his voice is too loud. I don't know if I can leave because I'm first inside you. Sitting feeling what I felt. I don't know if I'm in heaven or if this is really hell. I'm having trouble listening, baby, I think I need help. You can treat me like I'm garbage, but I'm already in hell. Wait, why are you even talking? Sunrise, no crazy shit been on my mind. I know that I will get over it, just give me some time. I know I'm trying to hit the brakes, trying to flatline. Now you're on my fucking head, stuck in my mind. What the fuck was I supposed to do when I was lost in time? What the fuck was I supposed to do when I knew you were mine? I never lost hope, but then I realized I'm nothing but a joke through your eyes. Yeah, what am I gonna do when I live my life with you? Gonna live in defiance, I'm defying all of my youth. I don't know if I can fight it, but I'll find my way to you. And I guess I cannot hide it, cause I'm hiding it with you. Tell myself I'm alright, leading to the sunrise. Here inside and when we lose the focus, we never thought we would notice all of our feelings and emotions that we can't hide, and we show when we know that it's too hard to live like we're this broken.
Alright, what do you think here?
Fuck my head, take away all of my bread. Say that you will leave me dead. Say that I ain't really there when I'm always fucking dead. Why you even still here? Girl, you never even cared. I don't even want to